It's very hot today and I don't know how can I survive through this video, but let's hope for the best. Hello everyone, I'm Mo and you are welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing good. Today I have few products that you guys wanted me to share my honest reviews and I'm going to do that. बहुत सारे products नहीं हैं because for me it takes time to purchase them and give them a thorough use. वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा, हेल्पफुल लगेगा तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, hype this video and kindly subscribe my channel if you want to hear only honest reviews. Starting with Spot Fade Azelaic Acid Serum from Solve Labs, containing 8% azelaic acid, 4% niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, allantoin and panthenol. I think I bought it on the same day it was released because I adore azelaic acid for reducing my post-acne hyperpigmentation. वो काम में ये सबसे बेहतर काम करता है. But it also helps in reducing acne inflammation and drying them fast. And it is completely pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. Now this one feels, works and has the same hydrating type of texture like this 10% azelaic acid serum by Anu. It is lightweight, fast absorbing, hydrating with a tad bit of anhydrous quality that feels completely breathable in Indian summer. Performance just like Anua, it works but it takes time, especially on my skin where 10 to 12% perform the best. They both feel like a beginner friendly or sensitive skin friendly formulation, are more like a serum that I can use on everyday basis. 10% Argiline solution by The Ordinary is a peptide based serum named as acetyl hexapeptide 8 aka Botox in a bottle that works on dynamic fine lines. मतलब आपके facial expression के लिए जो wrinkles आते हैं, जो lines आते हैं, वो permanent wrinkles में convert ना हो या late हो, it works on them. And yes, it works, but for that it takes time. On my skin, it took 2 to 2.5 months to see some visible result. This is an ultra lightweight, quick absorbing, very breathable serum where little goes a long way. That much I finished in 3 months and I'm using it almost 3 times in a week. Yes, it works gradually on those fine lines, but it has blown my mind, literally boom, in some other way. And I'm talking about accelerating my post-acne healing journey. Look at this picture. That was my acne situation and now look at the bigger one. ऐसे टाइप के जो acne होते हैं ना, ये पूरी तरह से heal होने में 7 से 10 दिन लगते हैं. But it made that area flat and I'm talking about completely flat in 3 days. हाँ, pigmentation था because it doesn't work on reducing them, but वो area मेरे चेहरे का पूरा सपाट हो गया था within 3 days. It worked on my skin. It works on my husband's acne as well, जिसको हमेशा bomb जैसे acnes आते हैं. And as I mentioned in my last video, I paired it with a peptide booster. और इतने speed से वो गड्ढे भरे ना, I was shocked. CeraSense Milky Toner by Plum. I bought it during winter time because it's a creamy toner, but honestly I'm enjoying it more in summer. It doesn't feel like a creamy toner to me. It feels more like a lightweight viscous hydrating toner that truly satisfies my skin without clogging my pores, and it cuts down multi-layer skincare. If you fall into extremely oily or oily skin or combination skin, pair it with a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C first, then this one followed by your sunscreen, and you will be happy. Your skin would feel satisfied throughout the day. Black Tea Deep Infusion Toner by Prem Kangyul comes in a very luxurious packaging. Ingredient list is interesting and it has a very interesting texture. This one is also a peptide based toner, again acetyl hexapeptide 8 aka Botox in a bottle. Also multiple ceramides, antioxidants and some natural extracts safe for our skin. Now it has a very thick serum like texture, but the moment it hits your skin, it spreads like toner, it blends like toner, it absorbs like toner and it refreshes like toner, but it adds hydration like a serum. Days when I don't want to do multi-layered skincare routine or due to this extreme heat, I just don't want to put layers on my skin. I just put a layer or maybe 2 layers of this one followed by a moisturizer. Ceramide Atto Lotion by Illume. 100 ml bottle is enough if you are using it just for facial purpose. It is not only a barrier repairing formula, I strongly believe it is a non-comedogenic formula as well. But if you fall into extremely oily to combination skin, you are not going to enjoy it in hot days. आपको एक्ने नहीं आएगा, लेकिन ये आपको ऑयली फील करेगा, आपको सफोकेटिंग लगेगा और आपको पसीना भी आएगा. Yes, if you are living inside an air conditioned room, then you can enjoy it. People with other skin type, you can use it whenever you want. Pure Mineral Watery Sunscreen by Origami. The entire brand focuses on making pregnancy and breastfeeding safe skincare products. And yes, from the ingredient list, it is completely safe and 100% mineral sunscreen. And to me, it is an identical but a lotion is sister of this physical sunscreen from Gabit. Imagine K-Beauty skincare line, toner, serum, lotion, cream, then sleeping mask. If this is the cream, then this would be the lotion from the same line. It is thick, it is runny, it is creamy, it is lotiony, it is more moisturizing, it is less moisturizing. This one takes longer time to blend, this one takes comparatively less time to blend. But the white casts are same, जो कि मेरे skin tone पे are completely okay. Origami ने कोई sweat resistance वाला claim तो किया नहीं, but it also has an oily base, just like any other good blending and comfortable finish वाला physical sunscreen. But after I sweat, इस एरिया में मुझे टाइनी white pigments दिखता है. If you fall into darker skin tone, I think you can still use it for reapplication purpose only. थोड़ा करके लगा के अगर आप blend करेंगे तो ये होता है. And just like any other physical sunscreen, over the time it gradually settles into matte finish. Maleic Bond Repair Complex Shampoo by Minimalist. It was actually recommended by one of my subscriber. I adored their mask, and now I can say this combo literally transformed my hair shaft for, I don't know, not the better, for the best. Cleansing property of this shampoo is outstanding. I use it on chumpy days and it casts away all those coconut oil in 2 washes. But it feels so gentle na. धोने के बाद आपके बाल, I mean, if you don't have dry hair, you wouldn't need any separate conditioner after that. आपके बाल ऐसे feel होंगे. If you use lots of heating tools or you take shower in hot water, जो भी आपके बालों के जो shaft है उसको खराब करता है, then try this combo. I'm damn sure you are going to love them. No Wash Treatment by Odid. A leave-in conditioner comes in a liquid formula inside a spray bottle. I like few things about it and dislike few things. पहले disliking पे आते हैं. I hate that applicator because it doesn't work well always. Especially if you have long hair or a lot of hair, you will be tired of spraying this. कोई दूसरा लगा के दे रहा है तो it's okay. If you have dry and frizzy hair, the product alone will not be enough for you. Normal to oily hair and especially straight hair, you will enjoy it the most. इसका मतलब क्या मैं enjoy नहीं करती हूँ? हाँ करती हूँ. I layer other leave-in product along with this one because good thing, it doesn't weigh down your hair, it doesn't make your hair greasy. Second, it takes time to show up its potential, but it shows in some way. First few times when I used it, it felt like nothing special. But more I use it, every time washing my hair, 3 times or maybe 2 times in a week, I saw some result. Like my other hair care products blend better, even product quantity भी कम लगता है. And so I think until and unless you have rough and tough and very thick hair, you will be satisfied. लेकिन अगर आपका झाड़ू जैसा hair ही है, I think Sparks का works the best. Brow Mascara by NYX. Holding power of this brow mascara is outstanding. It's very much like a push-up brow. Okay, but if I talk about the pigment, I prefer the e.l.f. one more. Whether you are a makeup pro or a makeup gadha like me, you will not have any problem with the e.l.f. one. इससे आपको problem हो सकता है. आज मैंने दोनों brow करा ही लगाया है. पहले मैंने e.l.f. को लगाया, उसके बाद इसको मैंने excess पूरा हटा के just for the support I used it, and that's how it works. If you find today's video helpful, then give it a like and share it with your friends and help me grow. क्योंकि YouTube तो वो कर नहीं रहा है, आप भी थोड़ा help कर सकते हो. See you soon in my next video. Till then,